You guys, look what came in the mail today. I'm so excited. Yeah, Paradise Fibers. It came in the mail. Look at this cute picture. Oh my goodness. And I was thinking it might be a 4th of July theme. And I'm thinking I might be wrong, and I'm really kind of excited. I'm honestly kind of glad that I'm wrong. I mean, is that bad? But I mean, it just came today, and today is the 6th, and we're 2 days after the 4th of July. So anything I make with this that would be 4th of July, I wouldn't really be using for the 4th of July. So I'm like really excited that it's something else, and it looks so stinking cute. I can't wait to get into it. So remember, this is totally spoilers. So if you get yours and you don't want to know what's in it yet, I'm going to be showing this. And I do have an affiliate link down below and a discount code. So if you want to go get your own, I highly recommend it. I also, if you have not seen yet, I am doing Tour de Fleece this year. I'm uploading tiny daily videos, and I am doing a blanket spin this year, and my whole spin is all Tour de Fleece, Paradise Fibers, Fiber of the Month Club from months past. Who knows, this one might end up in it too, but I am utilizing all these Fiber of the Month clubs that I had not used yet. They're getting spun up for Tour de Fleece, and I am going to spin them into a squishy blanket, and I am so excited about it. So you can check that out. I will link it at the end. That is what I'm doing. So let's get into this package and see what cuteness awaits us. I should have cut it open ahead of time. You know what? I'm going to mute this so you don't have to hear the crinkling. There we go. That's better. Good thing. If you saw me drop it, that would have been much louder. Okay. Cards. Definitely not what I was expecting. It's a retro ice cream shop. Well, I mean, that is kind of what it looks like. July 2026 Fiber Club, July Retro Ice Cream Shop. We're so lucky to have the sweetest little retro ice cream shop here in Spokane, Doyle's. I love the cheerful colors, vintage charm, and sense of nostalgia that fills the tiny space. The ice cream is amazing too. Walking through the door feels like stepping back to a simpler time when afternoons were spent sharing a malt at a soda fountain and a summer felt like it would last forever. That is so true. So true. Putting this month's Fiber Club together was so fun, and I hope these colors capture a little of that happy, carefree summer feeling and the magic of a classic 1950s ice cream shop. Oh, yeah. Okay, so reach in, find what we find first. Okay, you guys, well, some of you may not watch my channel regularly. So if you don't, this will be new to you. But if you do, you'll know I am not a pink and purple person. I really am not. Though I've been noticing lately, I have a lot of dresses that are pink, and I don't know why. But I'm not a pink and purple person. But I will say, this is absolutely beautiful. It looks like cotton candy. And I have a friend that she has a cotton candy shaved ice business, and this looks like it just came off of her cotton candy thing. Maybe I'll have to make her something with this. 6 ounces of strawberry malt. This creamy, dreamy blend of 25% rose fiber, 13% silk, 25% blueface Leicester, and 38% merino is wonderfully soft with a gorgeous silky sheen. Rose fiber is made from rose stems that would otherwise go to waste, creating a smooth, luscious, lustrous fiber that adds beautiful drape and shine. Combined with silk, it gives this blend a glowing, almost liquid appearance. Blueface Leicester contributes strength, luster, and a silky handle of its own, while merino adds softness, elasticity, and an effortless spinning experience. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. Well, yeah, that is really nice. I do see me making my friend something with this because it's just, I mean, strawberry malt, yes, it is, but it looks just like her spun cotton candy. That is so pretty. Okay, let's see. What do we get next? Oh, I found something tiny. Ooh, sparkly. Half an ounce of Angelina fiber. Think of this like sprinkles for your ice cream. Add a little sparkle to one or both of this month's fibers. Look at the sparkles. That is so pretty. Oh, that's fun. Mm-hmm. My brain's clicking. Sorry. Okay, what do I find next? Ooh. Oh, ice cream soap. Sweet little ice cream soaps that are handmade by a mom and her twin daughters. These are non-GMO and cruelty-free. So they had green or pink, and I got a pink. Hey, wait a second. Shouldn't they know I like green? I guess not. They didn't get the memo. I guess I'll let them live. Oh, I know what I might do with this. Next time I send a package to my son and his girlfriend, they both love pink. That's kind of funny because you know how anti-pink I am? My son, his whole life, has loved pink. And lucky for him, his girlfriend does too. Ooh, big package, big package. Ooh, wow. Wow. Okay. Let's see. 8 ounces of soda fountain. Soda fountain in a bag. What was the other one? 6 ounces. Okay, 6 ounces and 8 ounces. Wow. Look at that, you guys. Ooh. Okay, let's see what soda fountain is. This custom blend of 67% merino and 33% Falkland was inspired by the vibrant colors of a 50s soda fountain. Falkland sheep are raised on the Falkland Islands in the South Atlantic. Descendant from merino sheep, Falkland is known for its bright white color, soft handle, and consistent fiber quality. It typically falls in the 24 to 28 micron range. While it's soft enough for next to skin garments, while still offering durability and resilience. So I can feel that and I think I know I have some Falkland. I can't remember if I've actually spun it yet, but I can feel that it's very soft, but it does have more strength feeling to it than just the merino. That's really nice. And look at those colors. Again, you know, not exactly my colors, but this is very pretty. And 8 ounces, that's a nice amount to do something with. Mm-hmm. Okay, running out of room here. Set it back there. Oh, and our sticker. There's a sticker that their niece Sunny does, which was also what was on the bag. So stinking cute. So that matches our bag. Let's straighten our bag out now. I've been using the bags. And I had been saving, because their bags were always really cute, even before they started having her do these. And I eventually was like, okay, why am I saving all these bags? And I finally got rid of them. And then I started saving them again when she started doing these. And I started using them. I'm like, dang it, why did I get rid of these bags before? But here's the whole bag. And this one's really cute. You could just go hang this on the wall. But what I've been doing with them is I've been sending people packages in them. And I'll take like the label, I'll take off the other side as much as I can. And what doesn't come off, just so that there's just that little like bit of paper there. And then I'll put a package in it and just fold it over like that. And I'll send stuff in it. I sent a little baby gift in the one time. So you can reuse these, you guys. Or even if you just use it as gift wrapped. Hello, they're so cute. So this is an absolutely adorable box. And it does also have two, it's got two pattern ideas. One looks like it is a shawl, and one looks more like a scarf. Soda fountain and strawberry malt. I don't know if they're free patterns or paid for, so I'm putting my finger over the QR codes, but there they are if they'll focus. And then they have a Spotify playlist called Soda Fountain. That's really cute. Well done, Paradise Fibers. As always, well done. Very, very good. I love it. Yeah. I don't think, I wasn't sure, depending on what came, if it was going to work with what I'm doing for my Towards Fleece spin and the blanket I'm making. And I don't think this is going to work in that. But like I said, I'm already thinking of something for this. And maybe that. They're going to get used. Definitely going to get used. Maybe put this, I think I might do the Angelina. Actually, this one's Angelina, not Stellina. I might put that in this one. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, as my brain continues to click, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you want to get in on this fun, because it really is fun and they do amazing things. And if you can't find something to do with this, I would be really surprised. So make sure, click the link below, my affiliate link, get a discount code. They have a really neat collection they just put up of other blends, and they have all kinds of they have stuff. I mean, they have lots of stuff. If you are a spinner, you cannot go wrong on their website. And I am not getting paid to say that. I like their stuff. They have good quality, and they carry a lot of the other brands. Like they have spinning wheels and other supplies and stuff that they do carry. So, and they have stuff for knitters and stuff too. I mean, they've got yarn, and they've got those really cool what are they called? Not respun, the redesign. It's those Stephen West bags. It's really cool bags. I want one of those bags. I really want one of those. That one that's like that not shaving case, but you know what I mean, that opens like that. I want one of those. Redesign? I don't know. I can't think right now. Anyway, go check them out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all those YouTubey things, and I will be here in another 2 months with another one of these. Otherwise, check me out for Tour de Fleece. I will have a video up each month. And if you want to come to my regularly scheduled program, I have a vlog that comes out once a week. And I normally have other videos that will come up on Wednesdays, but during Tour de Fleece, I do not have those videos coming up. So we will see you all again soon. Have an amazing week. Bye.